we just collect keyword ideas 15 list, right? So let's dig into these all keyword ideas. Today I told you I'm going to do a natural way, like how do you find an niche idea? How do you find inside of this? How do you research keywords for these niche ideas or keyword ideas? How do you analyze what is the keyword volumes and what profit I can make from these keywords, and how is the search volume is. So you have to look the all kind of volumes and the keyword capacity on this keyword. So I'm going to take the first idea to do my research: food delivery. So I'm going to get food delivery, and of course let's go to the search. Let's search food delivery. Nice. There's a huge result list in 60.69 seconds. See this? You got so much keyword ideas here. So I need to change this search settings into United States, because I am targeting United States. You know, if you target worldwide, it doesn't matter. First, in SEO, you need to target the high CPC country, tier 1 countries. That's United States, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Australia, New Zealand, likewise. So I'm always targeting United States as because their buying capacity is a lot more, right? So if you target a commercial keyword with a commercial website, or in AdSense, or in any kind of monetizations, so you need to choose a tier 1 country. It's good. It's selected, already selected United States. So if you select as a country as United States, it will give more and more profitable. So food delivery is a great keyword, right? So as a first keyword, I'm going to go down here to get search related to food delivery. This is what we need actually, because people also searching for this, right? And if you stop and give some space to this, you will see a huge list with Google suggestions. You see this, right? So how do you get this? Typing one by one? No, actually that's why you need a good keyword scraping tool with this. So let's search Google keyword scraping tool as a free tool, not using Ahrefs like this or Moz. I'm going to get free tools first, because a lot of guys couldn't afford a paid tool. So let's go for get a keyword ideas like Google suggestions like this. Okay, Google suggestions like this. So let's go with Google suggestions keywords. So let's go. This is the great tool, keyword tool IO. It's a great tool, actually. You can get a huge list. See, find great keywords using keyword Google autocomplete. That's the exact word that I'm looking for. This is called Google autocomplete. See, if I type any kind of food delivery, let's say red and space, it will always give another. See, food delivery rate, Grab food delivery rate, food delivery pay rate, Uber delivery rate, like that. There's a huge list this will generate. So you need to scrap these keyword ideas. This is keywords actually. This is a long tail or short tail or whatever. You need to collect this into your campaigns. That's how SEO works. So you need to analyze each of these after that. Before you went to the paid tools, you need to manually analyze these first. That's how SEO is doing. Okay. So keyword research. Keyword research is defined as actively analyzing and finding a list of valuable keywords for purpose of SEO copywriting. Right? The keywords of search terms often become a guide for direction of your content and marketing strategy. A keyword can consist of a single word, but more often than not made of several words. For example, search terms is a keyword, as is best keyword search tool. So I'm going to copy this, actually my main keyword idea, food delivery, and I'm going to select United States as my idea. I'm going to generate autocomplete keywords. So I got one more step in Cloudflare. So I need to verify this first. Sometimes it is really annoying, if your signal is weak, it will take more time. Now it's working. So this is actually a pro tool. So this is seriously a pro tool, but you can get actually the good list from here. Okay, see this? You get the good list from here. You in free tool, you didn't get any search volume after the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After the first 5, you didn't get any search volume, trend, CPC or competition. See, you have to see this. Food delivery near me open. We just search for United States food delivery. See the capacity of this keyword. Food delivery service near me is very high, but see this, food delivery near me open, because people are searching food delivery in the night also. So this is a very good keyword, right? It's a 33,100 search volume per month. It's a very great search volume, and the trend is also good, but it's down for 80% because I think there are some situations going on now. So I think that's the reason for the downtrend. But this is actually a very good, see this, the trend is very good, and see the CPC. This is so good. This is a fine keyword, right? $4.73, and competition is very low, 33. So this is a very good keyword. So how you extract these keywords? Actually, I think I can't copy from here. So let's see. Export to Excel. Let's see we can do this or not. Okay guys, we just saved our 556 food delivery related keywords ideas. So now we are going to analyze this all, and before we are going to the all questions related to food delivery. Actually, we found 137 questions. Nice, huh? Seriously, it's nice. So we need to extract these all question keywords. Why question keywords? Because people used to find like what is, let's see, what is food delivery? See, what is food delivery? What is food delivery? What is food delivery? What is the best? Let's say what is the best? I told you, I am doing this a very natural way to understand what is an actual keyword research mean. I'm not posting any bullshits. I'm just posting very natural in this video how to do a better and best keyword research for yourself and commercial related, not with less profit. I am going to provide the best tutorial ever in 2020 to research the best keyword with profitable keywords too. So what is the best food delivery? See, I ask question and it gives question related queries from Google. What is best food delivery app? What is best food delivery service? What is best food delivery service work for? What is best delivery work for? You see, these are long tails. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the long one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like 10 keywords in one single. So it's a long tail, but you can easily rank for these keywords. How? That is using these keywords in your article and write a great content with this. Okay, so I just extracted all those question keywords in here, 137 questions. So I'm going to get these keywords also for my plan. So what is my plan? Let's go to the plan. Find keyword ideas. So check the true keyword difficulty and search volume. For this, you need a better and updated tool with updated keyword database. So for that, I'm not recommending any kind of free tools, my dear brothers and sisters, because you need a good revolutionary keyword tool for this actually. So check true keyword difficulty and search volume. You need a tool like Ahrefs. It's a very good tool. You see the statistics of live index. There are 296.57 billion crawled pages indexed. That's a very huge amount of pages indexed in Ahrefs. And there are 493.55 million keywords. So this keyword database is very highly updated. See this internal links, external backlinks, and page crawled a day. This is the main reason I'm using, because per day this tool crawling 6.11 billion pages. That means this is a very highly updated tool to do SEO keyword research. So the next one is Moz. I'm using Moz Pro account, and it's a very affordable, I think, because I'm using trial versions when I'm running some kind of marketing campaign. And if you couldn't afford to buy, you can ask from another one. If your friends got some Ahrefs, you can ask for one help from them. That is, give me your tool for a couple of hours. I need to do a keyword research, my friend. Like that, you can ask from help from your friend actually. For that, you can ask help from me also actually to do this keyword research. I'll put my email below. You can ask for the keyword idea or keyword research. If I got any time, I will reply with this report to you also.
So let's go to analyze these all keywords, that finding keywords in Ahrefs in the next lesson. Keep watching. Thank you.